Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Just 48 hours already. It looks like Nnamdi legal team are firing on all arsenals with Bruce Fein on international scale, with Nnamdi special counsel, that's Lawyer Jimako, also winning the first leg of his suit against the federal government and getting 1 billion naira as compensation for his client, and many others, of course, with three apology letters made public on three national dailies, and with the senior advocate of Nigeria, Mike Ezehome, in conjunction with Ifeanyi for doing the needful, as it is the indigenous people of Biafra, supporters of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and those also looking forward to Biafran freedom are warming up ahead of the February 2nd court case. But before we go into the newspaper to find out exactly what Ima Powerful is telling everyone, those who are actually following the case closely, to do, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Very quickly, let's go into the news. The indigenous people of Biafra that has asked its members to flood the Abuja Federal High Court on Wednesday, February 2nd, 2021, for the trial of the four gentlemen of the movement. IPB spokesperson Ima Powerful made a call in a statement on Saturday. According to him, four members of the group will be in court over the frivolous and empty charges preferred against them by the federal government of Nigeria on February 2nd, 2022. He urged Biafrans around Abuja and the northern state to solidarize with them and not abandon them. And this is not directly to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but then to the followers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let's quickly go into the news. According to him, the statement reads, and I quote, "We want to inform all Biafrans that the following gentlemen of our movement, that's Mazi Chidebere Onwudiwe, Mazi David Nwanwushi, Mazi Bright Ishinwa, Chimezie, and Mazi Benjamin Madubugu, sorry if I didn't pronounce that well, will be in court over the frivolous and empty charges preferred against them by the federal government of Nigeria on February 2nd, 2022. The Nigerian government and its Fulani cabal sees Nigeria as their conquered estate, handed over to them by the colonial masters. We cannot abandon these patriots at any point, so we urge Biafrans around Abuja and northern states to solidarize with them on that day. The indigenous people of Biafra members across northern region must solidarize with them on February 2nd, 2022. The bogus charges preferred against them have no merit and does not hold water. Self-determination activities in the world are not criminal activities. The federal government cannot win indigenous people of Biafra in the court of competent jurisdiction because freedom is inalienable right of every human being. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB is only following the laws of the land both internationally and locally. We know the desperation of the Nigerian government to influence the international community to stop Biafra restoration, but they will not succeed at all. Alright, this is actually coming in. And they were along the line of trying to actualize Biafra, along the line of showing solidarity with the movement of the actualization of Biafra, along the line of trying to show the fact that they want their nation, a sovereign state called Biafra. These four guys really cannot tell exactly what the crime was or what their crime were rather, but they've been arranged and they will be facing some charges ahead, and that day the court has stated it for 2nd of February 2022, in line with or the issue of Biafra, of which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, of course, is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So to speak, he's saying the same solidarity given to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria during his court hearing should be given the same also for these four guys. He calls them the special, I think, for special four, four gentlemen. Okay, and mention their names, and obviously, from all indication, I don't exactly have an idea of what their crimes are, but they will, according to my powerful, cause it frivolous and empty charges. He never really mentioned what the charges against them were, but he's saying that everyone should come out in full solidarity for, there's something about this, you look left, you look at your left, you look at your right, you see your brothers, standing firmly with you, and it kind of gives boost the morale for those who feel, oh, they did the movement and now they've been abandoned. Don't forget that whatever it is they did, I think they did it in conjunction with the movement or awareness they created for indigenous people of Biafra. So to speak, Imam Powerful is calling those living in the northern region, living in Abuja environs, to come out. Now, the question now is, the gentlemen of the movement, it calls them the trial of the four gentlemen of the movement. The question is, how will the people group up? I don't think it is advisable for anyone to go in there and indicating that he or she is a Biafran or is an indigenous people of Biafran IPOB. I think they should just go in as those who are from the south, is for their own safety, I guess. And of course, really, Iba Powerful did not expatiate on what his crime were. But if it's on that same ground, so that they don't have four gentlemen, as he puts it, and at the end of the day, by the time the court case will hearing will elapse, they'll probably have more than four. Judging the fact that indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB or Biafra as a whole, is one name that the government of the day do not want to, you know, you know, identify with. Having also gone through a lot, with all these things going on, and the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have taken it to a dimension that is bringing radar, international radar, to the movement, especially in Nigeria, with his court hearing, having been detained, and Bruce Fein having been being an international lawyer, also monitoring the whole thing closely. So everyone is trying to, be very careful. Right now, honestly, we do not know what it is that this guys did, but we hope for fair hearing for them. We also hope that if only we could, get a full idea of what really happened. We really don't know, but we hope for, justice to take its full course. That's not going to wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation, please. What's your take?